Take a ride in the 2014 Cadillac CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, lane departure warning, backup camera, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.